911, this call is being recorded. What is your emergency? What is your emergency?
I need help.
Can you tell me what's wrong?
I'm hiding. There's blood. So much blood.
Okay, I'm going to need you to stay calm. Do you know where you are?
No, they don't.
No, I mean, where are you?
Hiding in a cupboard. They came in and just started shooting.
Okay, that's good. Where's the cupboard?
In a classroom.
You're doing great. So you're at school. Which school?
What college? Please, come help me. I don't want to die.
I need you to stay calm. The police are on their way, okay? They are on their way. Stay where you are.
I don't want to. Please don't let me die.
Stay calm. Remain where you are. Is the shooter nearby?
I don't know. Don't make me look.
Ma'am, I'm not asking you to do anything of the sort. Stay where you are.
Oh, God.
Ma'am?
They're coming back.
Stay calm. I'm right here with you.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. No, please, no!
TOC reporting. Status of the active shooter threat is currently unknown. Move in and secure the area quickly.
Hands on your head! Do it now! Put your hands up! Hands on your head! Hold your fire! Get down! I want to see hands!
Doing it.
TOC
Civilians
here.
down.
Stabilize. Send
Make sure we don't miss any
EMTs.
classrooms.
I can't!
Secure him.
Drop your weapon now!
Drop the gun. Don't make this any
Hands
harder.
up! Do it now! Get down on your knees! Drop the weapon! Drop it and get down! Drop the weapon now! Hands up above your head! Get down! I want to see you get down on your knees! Hands up!
Tie him down.
Good to
TOC
go.
development.
Make him secure.
Trailer incoming. Proceed with caution. Lead, this is TOC. Trailers en route.
Did you see any other?
Evidence good to go.
I'm actually
Infantry team to top.
Get on the ground
TOC to
now!
lead. Trailers incoming.
Compliant.
Police, get your hands up! Police, down on the ground! Hands up! Down on your knees! Get down and keep your hands up!
Okay. Restrain them. Arrest them.
Got it.
Here!
Gotta do this for safety.
Civilian is cuffed and good to go.
Hands on your head! Move! Get down on your knees! Hands up!
Dropping a chem light.
Get out of there now! Police, get out of there! Police, come out now!
I got it. I have to put these on you until we're done. Good to go.
They're right behind me.
Put your fucking hands up!
Secure that evidence.
I'm on it. Copy. One
This is
down.
TOC. Notifying Tim.
Down on the ground! Move! Let me see those hands!
Got it back.
Drop the weapon!
Hands up. Suspect is down, but it's
Here need medical attention.
Secure the gun.
Get down and put your hands up.
Arrest her.
Moving into handcuffs.
Hands up!
Stay calm. We'll get you out of here.
Police, stay where you are!
Civilian, ready to go.
Got him.
Stay calm and quiet until we're done.
Got a bag.
Element, this is Talk. Notifying trailers. Entry team, this is Talk.
I didn't do anything wrong!
Keep your hands up! Hands up! Do it now! Hands up! Put your hands up! Down on your knees! Hands up! Above your head! Move in, clear the room.
Good to go.
Drop it! Police!
Chem light out. Securing the area.
Bag that. Safe that weapon.
Element to Talk.
Talk here. Trailers in.
Talk. They're
Talk
down.
out. Coroner standing by.
Please,
Good to go.
get me out.
Down on the ground, now!
Suspect needs a talk.
Cuff him.
Talk to entry team. Proceed with your mission.
Down on your gun, get police, get down! LSPD, don't get down!
Talk to
Put your
radio.
hands up!
Trailers are ready.
Easy. Cuff him.
I got it.
Get down, now!
Everyone's safe.
Hands on your head! Now! Get on the ground! Now! Police, get down! Hands on your head! Do it now! Put your hands up! Hands on your head! Get down! I want to see hands!
Make him secure.
Moving into handcuff.
There's more than one.
Civilian is cuffed and good to go.
Hands up! Do it now!
Listen.
Hands up above your head! Get
No, I'm
down! I
good.
want to see
I'll take my
hands!
chances.
Restrain him.
I'll get him ready. I got it.
Get down on your knees!
Get the fuck out of here.
Civilian ready to go. Lead to Talk.
Talk reporting. Trailers standing by.
Hands up! Drop to your get on the ground! Now!
Provide support.
Police, get your hands up! Police, down on the ground!
Arrest him.
Moving into handcuff.
Gotta find a way out.
Hands up! Down on your knees!
Get it down!
You're safe. Okay.
Cuffed and ready. Entry team to Talk.
Talk here. Trailers notified.
I'll get him ready.
Get
They're
down
good.
and keep your hands up!
Let me go. I can help.
Gold. Move. Ready.
Hands on your head, move!
Putting down a chem light.
Breaching.
Move in.
Moving. Breaching. Good here.
empty over here. No contact.
Securing the area for any contacts.
Dr. Element. That's how we get it done, folks. Roll in for debrief.